Hey guys, today I am going to show you how to crochet this beautiful granny stitch. So today I am using a size J crochet hook and Lion Brand Mandala yarn. I really like this yarn. I made an entire cardigan out of this yarn and with this stitch with just basic rectangles, and so after you learn this stitch you can make that cardigan. I'll put the link down in the down below so you could check that out. And let's get started. So what you will do is start with a chain in a multiple of 3, and then you want to add 2 stitches to that. So today I am going to chain 9 and then add 2 to that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'll add my 2, 10, 11. So I've got my chain. I have my chain, and of course your chain could be longer or shorter. This one's super short just for the purposes of time for this video. But if you make the cardigan, you'll be making 3 rectangles and the chains will be longer, but you'll follow the exact same stitch pattern. So here we go. For row 1, all we're going to do is single crochet across. And so insert your hook, pull through, and pull through 2. So single crochet in each stitch across. And because I had 11 chain stitches, I will then have 10 single crochet stitches after this row is done. So I just work my way across until I get to the very end. And then starting on the next row is where we'll start our 2-row repeat. So work into that last stitch. Okay, and we have our first row done. For row 2, you are going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and turn. Then you're going to work a double crochet into the same stitch as the chain 3. So yarn over and make your double crochet stitch in that same stitch. Okay, then you're going to skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, skip those and work into this stitch here. We're going to make 3 double crochets into that stitch. So there's 1, 2, and 3. We're going to repeat this all the way across. So we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and work into the following stitch. 1, 2, fix my yarn here. Okay, and 3 into that 1 stitch. Okay, and so you'll repeat that across. If you had a longer chain, just keep going by skipping 2 stitches and then working 3 into the next stitch. When you get to the end of the row, where I am, we skip our 2 stitches and we're going to work 2 double crochets into that last stitch of the row. So 1, 2. Okay, so we have that row complete. For row 3, you will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and turn. And this is the fun part, so easy. You're going to work 3 double crochets into each space. So each of these large spaces. So yarn over and start to work your double crochet stitches into each space across the row. There's one group of 3. Now I just start working into this one. 1, 2, 3, and then into the last one. 1, 2, 3. And on row 3, you're just going to make 1 double crochet in that very last stitch. And there you've worked your pattern repeat of rows 2 and 3. So you're getting your nice granny stitch. So as I said, you just simply repeat rows 2 and 3 now throughout the pattern to make it as long as you want. So I'll do one more of row 2. We chain 3, turn, make a double crochet in the same stitch. And now, rather than working in the stitch, we're of course working in the spaces. So yarn over, make 3 double crochet stitches in that space. It's a lot of fun because you don't have to think too hard. Same thing here. Okay, last one. And now I am at the end, so I am going to yarn over and make 2 double crochets in this last stitch. All right, and next I will repeat row 3, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, turn, and work 3 double crochets in each space. Okay, and you just repeat that across until the end. With row 3, you just do 1 double crochet at the end. So the difference between row 2 and 3 is row 2 has 2 double crochets and row 3 has 1 at the end and the beginning. So very easy, a lot of fun. You can make blankets with this. You can make the cardigan that I made. It's literally just made out of rectangles. So check out that link and you can see how many chains you need to start with for each different size. And I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks, guys.